Greetings everyone. Sunday here, 1 o'clock. And today I would like to make a review on the Bengali resources that I have currently. I don't have very many, but I should say that the resources that I do have are very useful for learning the language. So, let's get started. I will start with this Lonely Planet phrase book. I've had this for a few years already. It's a combination Hindi, Urdu, and Bengali. So it's your typical phrase book. Once you open it up, you have your essential phrases here. So you have Bengali, and then you have this Romanized script here. That's all Bengali, by the way, if you didn't see that. And here, if you go down, you have essential phrases for Hindi and Urdu. So you have the English, Devanagari, and of course Urdu, and then the Romanized. Alright. So they have this broken up into, let's see how they got this. Transportation. Let's see here. Oh, I see. So we go here, you see guest house, they have the Hindi here, then they have the Urdu. I don't know what happened to the Bengali. I don't know how they, oh okay, they just got them broken up into sections. I think this is the Urdu and Hindi section. Language difficulties. Let's see here. Oh yeah, they do. And as you can see, it's Bengali. So this first section is Urdu and Hindi, and then the second section here is all Bengali. Introduction. Same drill, but everything is Bengali this time. You have your script. Romanization. All you need. So, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Lonely Planet phrase book. Alright, second course, or I should say first course, the phrase book I just showed you. This is the colloquial Bengali. This is actually what I'm using now. I've been using this here, and it is very good. No more needed to say. So I am currently on, I think I'm on chapter 2. Oh no, I'm not. I'm still in chapter 1. I'm on the third dialogue here. So, the thing about, okay, you see the script here, okay, for chapter 1. If you look at the dialogues, you'll notice that they don't have the script. Okay. Now they will put the script in some places, like here when you get to the grammar section, possessive and plural, they will throw it in here and there. But at the beginning, they don't use much of the script in the dialogues. However, once you get to, I believe, 14, is it 14 or I can't remember what chapter it is exactly, but once you get to, let's see here, I think it's 14. Let me go to 14 real quick. Yeah, once you get to 14, they start adding the script more. Now they don't always do this. If you go even further, you'll notice that they don't add the script for the dialogue. See here, exercise, there is no script. Dialogue 3 has a script. And I've seen some even in let's see, chapter 15. Right here, dialogue 2, chapter 15. They didn't add the script this time. So they kind of, it's not very consistent, but like I said, once you get to 14, you will see more of the script and dialogue. So they just, at the beginning of the book, they just try to get you familiar with the letters before actually throwing in the script. So, I mean, I think it's a good idea. Not bad. So, colloquial Bengali, very good course, and this is what I started with. Okay, now teach yourself. Teach Yourself Bengali. It is a good course. Originally, this is what I was going to use, but I noticed that at the beginning of the book, I didn't really like how they laid it out. But like I said, I guess it's good for those of you who are interested in learning the script. But they don't introduce, excuse me, they don't start introducing dialogue until the 14th chapter. And once you get here, it's all in the script, no romanization or anything. You see that? Everything is in Bengali once you get to chapter 14. That's funny because it's pretty much the same in what is it? In the colloquial. They wait to chapter 14 to really start getting into the script. But yeah, with the Teach Yourself, what they do is they just focus on the writing at the beginning. They get you comfortable with the writing, and as you move forward, then they start to introduce the script like this. So for me, I couldn't just go straight to 14 and listen to the dialogues because I can't read. I mean, I could read a little bit, but I'm not proficient at reading this yet. So it's a little bit of an inconvenience for me at this point. So if I go back at the beginning, I'll show you. So part 1, sounds and script, and then they get into the pronunciation, how to enunciate the letters, handwriting, print. So this is what you will see from chapter 1 all the way up to 13 before they actually start giving you dialogues in script. Now they have exercises on the audio. They'll give you some vocabulary exercises, but that's not something I like to do. I love dialogues, but everyone's different, so that's just me. But that's it. That's what the Teach Yourself is. Exercise with vocabulary. So that's why I decided to go ahead and get the Bengali, colloquial Bengali, because of that. Because I like how they start off with the dialogue with the romanized, and I can follow along if you know how exactly the words are enunciated. So that is it. Those are and of course I have my own FLR course for Bengali. Actually, I just got that completed recently. So if you guys are interested in learning Bengali, check out these resources. Check out my FLR course for it. And yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, thanks for viewing, and I'll talk to you guys shortly. Have a good one.